What if wellness wasn't a diet, but a lifestyle rooted in nourishment? Food is medicine, food is energy, and food is connection. And in this kitchen, we create more than just meals. Because true transformation begins in the mind, before it even reaches the plate, to be honest. When you slow down, you reconnect with your body, with your purpose, and with your power. Strength isn't just physical. It's discipline, it's consistency, and it's choosing yourself daily. Inside Root and Revive, you'll learn the art of vegan culinary wellness through my guided courses, transformational challenges, and a supportive community walking beside you. Hi, I'm Chef Perry, certified vegan chef and baker. I'm a published author. I was featured live on CTV Morning. I'm a certified Reiki master, personal trainer, martial artist, and transformational guide. And after years of teaching, creating, and walking through fire, literally 2 times, I built Root and Revive to unite food, strength, and spirit. This is more than cooking. This is mastery. This is alignment. This is your revival. So please join us. I look forward to seeing you inside. Let's go.